Mmhmm. 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 Yeah. Mmhmm. Now, what is it? 2020 has proven to be a hell of a year. The pandemic has helped us discover even more how important the online world really is. Physical teaching and physical contact should of course not be lost, but contact is necessary in forming a cohesive society. Various presentation tools designed for creating and keeping in touch will make your 2021 a lot easier. Mmhmm is the latest trend. This app is incredibly playful and creative, and not a lot of people know about this yet. With this tool, you can create a presentation that's even more fun and special. It kind of reminds me a bit of like the photo booth from the Mac, where you can like select the middle of Paris or a forest as your background. Well, this is definitely the upgraded version of that. And you can make your presentation so much more powerful with this. This program is incredibly easy to use and especially easy to apply on Zoom. With a Zoom video chat with your people and you can live a more interactive and interesting presentations. I don't know. With it's possible to change the background, as I said, of your presentations or live chat to hundreds of different places, shapes and colors. Your presentations will come to life with funny animated figures and special effects. When you share an interactive recording with your viewers, can watch the recording as a movie or read it as a slideshow. During the pandemic, many social and business interactions transitioned to online. This is a new way to connect, and it keeps it fun to connect with each other. Maintaining business relationships is of course no less important, and you ensure a powerful presentation or interaction with, for example, your customers or maybe your colleagues. I think is something that gives you the feeling as if you are the director of your movie, the director of what you're doing, the director of your presentation. So for this innovation, I'll give it an 8 in the charts. Disclaimer, the following part of this video has been narrated because the original video was shot in Dutch and we forgot to shoot it in English. Excuse me. This is It's once you've downloaded it and installed it, you can simply change your camera in Zoom or Teams, and if you have a presentation loaded in, it'll change directly to the presentation you have loaded in at that very moment. You can switch tabs and you can switch slides. At the underside of the app, you have all the slides ready. You can click different slides and go through your content just as if you're presenting it in real life, just on a screen like this. The other options are the presenter tools. We can change our own appearance and really be the director of this little presentation. We can change our size, we can change our opacity. Maybe, for example, if I want to make sure that the content in my slides is perfectly visible, we could make use of that. Or maybe we'd like to focus just on me or someone else talking. You can change the frame. If you want to add some more spice to your story, we can also add the effects. It's a very wide variety of effects, from rainy days to pixels, a green hologram, red holograms, and even old school grainy film, which is particularly good for a history lesson. If we would like to have some commentary with a video of some sort, we can load that video in as well and talk over it. I hope this will help you a lot and this could help you get further in a creative direction. Thank you for watching.